Hello everybody, and welcome to my unboxing video of the Pokemon TCG Sylveon collection. Now, without further ado, let's get this started. Take this out of the box. Alright. So now just flip this over. Here's the little Sylveon thing that you get. Pretty cool. That's gonna look good. That's gonna look good right there. Next to Galade. Or Galmon. That's nice. Here are the packs that we are going to be opening. A couple Legendary Treasures packs, one Legendaries Executor packs, and one X Destiny packs. Here are the little things that we get, which are cool. Here's a Glaceon, a Leafeon. Here are the holo colors that we get, and with the things. Sorry, I kind of messed that up, but I'm not gonna re-record this. And all these cards are holo. And here's the Espeon, the Flareon, the Jolteon. These are the Glaceon and the Jolteon are really gonna help my Waters deck. We're gonna help my Waters deck, so you know. And there's the Vaporeon, if I didn't say so already. And there's the Eevee. That's nice. Now let's get to the main drive of the set. The Fairy Energy. And the Sylveon itself. Look at that. Yep, that is nice. Alright. So now let's open pack number 1. If I do get another one of these sets, I will do another unboxing of that. But anywho, let's get this son of a bitch. Our little code here to unlock another booster. Here is a Manchu, a Ferocus, that thing. Ooh, and here's our holo for the set, the Pokemon Center. A Persian, Premium Energy. If the Pokemon and Special Energy, it looks like. And it looks to me like this provides, if the Pokemon this card is attached to is a base. Ooh, that is nice. Anyway, here's the second set. Son of a bitch. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. A Bidoof, a Rock'n'Rolla, a Slackoff, a Magmar, or Garchomp. Ooh, a Mew EX. Mew EX card. That's our holo. Our Boulder, a Floatzel, a Celio, and our little code there. That's nice. I might have to increase the audio for this video, but you know. A Temper, a Zora, don't know how to pronounce that, Cavalita. Ooh, the steel type. Oh, one of the steel types, that's nice. Ooh, a black Kekrom EX. I'm gonna add this to my electric waters. Ooh, and Mantern EX. That is awesome, actually. A Ralts, that's awesome. In case you don't know, Gardevoir is my favorite Pokemon of all time. Don't know how to pronounce that. And a Crushing Hammer. That's cool. And here's our code. And here's the last pack. We got 2 Pokemon. We got 2 with 2 shinies in a row, so I don't think that we're going to get another shiny, so, you know, another holo. But if we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. Who knows? Now, I'm not really too sure how much those would cost. They probably wouldn't cost too much. We got a Swablu, a Natu, a Dual, a Krogrunk, and here is our shiny and here is our holo for the set Superior. A Gallade. Ooh, Gardevoir. Nice. And a Snivy. I think that this would also be our holo for the set. A Stunfisk and a Swablu. So, looks like I think we got some decent cards, I'm not sure. But anyway, let's take a look at what we all got. Now, we got Fairy Energy, Eevee, Jolteon, Umbreon, Vaporeon, Espeon, Glaceon, Flareon, Leafeon, and Sylveon. For our holos, we got Ralts, Sylveon, Gardevoir, Superior, don't know how to pronounce that, Black Kekrom EX, don't know how to pronounce that either, Pokemon Center, Mew EX, and Garchomp. So I think we got some pretty good cards here. So, yeah, let me know. So, yeah, this is False Archangel signing out.